Hi everyone, I'm Joe Haley of ASI TV's The Joe Show, and welcome to ASI's annual revealing of the ESP Buyer's Box. And this box is sent out at the end of December, and it goes to the top 10,000 distributors in this industry based on sales volume, and they're active and they reach a lot of end buyers. That's why it's good to have samples and catalogs and sales sheets inside. So what are we going to find inside? Well, we're going to find some great samples, some 2019 catalogs, and what's beneficial about this is the distributors then, at the beginning of the year, can take these samples on client visits to excite, upcoming promotions, to, help with that creative thinking and that brainstorming for upcoming promotions. So let's see what we have here. First, I want to show you the first product is actually the box itself. This is sponsored by BoxUp. That's ASI 41320. So you have it all over imprint on this box. We're going to open up and see what we have. So not only do we have the box from BoxUp, we also have their catalog as well. You can see all the products and services that they can offer distributors. In addition to BoxUp, we're going to have a label here, and this is from LabelWorks ASI 66040, and this label is going to go on the outside of the box as well, but it's a fantastic label to put on any boxes for your clients. Next, we have a Writeline Catalog. You're going to see all the terrific pens that they have for the beginning of the year. Writeline is ASI 82498. I'm going to go through some of our samples here. I love this first sample. I'm going to show you this little mini apron. This is from ADCAPITOL 31260 is our ASI number. There's a coupon in here, and then you've got a mini version of a apron. The next product we have from Best Promotions 40344. Inside there is a can cooler, and there's also a pen with a stylus point. Pens with stylus points are very popular among end users who use pen because you use it for any touchscreen device, your tablets, your phones, and also for any kiosks that have touchscreen capability. Croakies, you need to keep your glasses on your face. Well, they're sampled here from Croakies ASI 47485. And we all know in this industry how important lanyards are, but it's also important for other people in other industries, not just people who are exhibiting at trade shows or hosting trade shows, but a lot of companies and schools require that students and employees wear their ID. So this is from DEVARA, and their ASI number is 49470. All right, you're always looking for something for inside that wallet that's multifunctional. Well, here's the Wallet Ninja from Dynamite Marketing, ASI 51190. This tool, it goes in your wallet. It's got a variety of different tools within there, so it's multifunction to it. Okay. And the next product we have here, I want to show you this. We've got this great tumbler. This is from Garyline, ASI 55990. What I like about this is you got this wraparound imprint on this. So you've got some great color graphics with this, and it's your standard tumbler, so it's great for a variety of different uses. All right, for the next product I wanted to show you, this is the Go Comb. We were just talking about combing hairs. Now, if you've ever seen this hair, the comb never goes through this, but this is a comb that's great. I could get it through my curly hair, stick it in your wallet, and you're good to go. Great for barbershops. And this is from Go Comb, ASI 57633. As we work through our samples here, I want to show you, we have from Gold Bond, ASI 57653, we have a envelope here with a variety of different pen offering. So again, if you have clients that use pens occasionally, it's always great to show them something new for the new year, because all their end users are going to want to collect all those different pens. And if it's after lunch and you had onions on your salad like I did, you need some mints. So we've got a bag of mints here from Hospitality Mints, ASI 61820. As we continue to go through our box here, I want to show you another sample. This is from LabelWorks as well. There's a variety of coupons and information in here. All right, markers. We always need highlighters, right? We need markers no matter what business we're in to highlight important things students need to do. We've got a pack here from Liqui-Mark ASI 67675. And the next sample we're going to is, this is a phone stand. This is from MAC Specialties ASI 68207. This is great for having on a desk. You prop your phone up on it if you have to have a Skype interview with someone. If you need to just listen to your music and have your phone handy, this is a great spot to have. All right, next samples. All right, Kyle's gonna have to wait till we're done with this, but this is from My M&M'S, customized M&M'S. You can put likeness on there, company logos on there. It's from My M&M'S, ASI 68888. All right, as we go through the cold weather, we're going to need some nice socks. These socks in our bag here, these have a tread on the bottom. That's actually the logo. They're from Principal Business Enterprises, ASI 79568. And when it comes to our cell phones, we like to have a lot of things on there. This is a sample from Sling Grips, and Sling Grip by DMD Products. It's ASI 501640. Attaches to the back of your phone. You can hold your phone with sliding your fingers in there, and you will not drop it. The next product for your phone, this is a sample of StickyWallet, and it's from StickyWallet Inc, ASI 89799. We've all seen these wallets you put on the back of your phone, and again, it's great for a variety of different industries, especially for students at college. They can put their ID in there and be able to get in to the various buildings that they need to swipe into. Okay, more socks. We love these socks. This is from Sports Solutions Inc, ASI 88876. Socks are a very hot promo item now. If you've been paying attention at the holiday times, there are a lot of different branded type socks you can find in a variety of retail outlets. The other sock sample we have here is from Strideline, ASI 89926. Very comfortable socks, and again, you have that custom logo knit right into it. And the last sample for us, we have from Page Seed Company, ASI 75760. This one includes a pack of oregano seeds on one side and then a honeybee mix of flowers on the other side. Great for, hey, let's grow business together themed promotions. All right, so those are our samples. We also have some great catalogs in here, and it's perfect for you to go when you're visiting your clients to pull something out and be able to show them great stuff. It's from AAA Marketing, ASI 30018, all their offerings for the 2019 year. In addition to the sample, ADCAPITOL also has their catalog in there, ASI 31260. We have a sales card in here. This is from Alexa Springs. They do bottled water, ASI 34037. In addition, we still have, this is Business Cards Plus, ASI 42848. So if your clients are looking for business cards, remember they don't have to go to a stationery store. They can go to a distributor as well. Sample from Emblematics, ASI 52280. From Games People Play, very great for carnivals, for special events, for trade show booths, to draw traffic, ASI 91079. Safety products, very big on the work site. This is from PIP Promotional Products, ASI 58120. There's a whole catalog here of safety products. This is for reusable badge and signage system. This is Imprint Plus, ASI 62483. So think of all those promotional needs that your clients need. Next Level Apparel, ASI 73867. This is actually in a calendar format as well. So you can go through the year, you see your samples, and then you can mark important dates when you need to go and visit clients. Here's a hefty catalog. This is Orbus Exhibit and Display Company, ASI 75209. Very thick catalog filled with a lot of great stuff. AutoCap, very nice hats, ASI 75350. See the latest offer they're going to have for 2019. We have Pilot Pen, 78110 is their ASI number, and you're going to see some Pilot Pens that you haven't seen before, offerings for the 2019 selling season. The premium line, here's their catalog, ASI 79370, all the products you want to be showing clients, and umbrellas are always a popular promotional product. So here is a catalog from Rainkiss Umbrella Company, ASI 80490. As we continue to go down further in the box, here's a great offer from Shepenko Shelbyville Pencil Company, ASI 86850. Get that out, Haley. All right, moving along. The Stone line, Stone Enterprises catalog here, ASI 890, let's try it again, ASI 89850. Tervis Tumbler is very popular with end buyers. Tervis Tumbler Company, ASI 90914. So if your client's been asking for that type of tumbler, you've got the goods right here in front of you. We have some sales sheets here. This is complete party line trainer graphics. I'm going to show you another sales sheet in here, saying trainer graphics, ASI 91880. And then the last, as we dip into the bottom of the ESP Buyer's Box, this is the Grab Our Mini Travel Waste Bin, ASI 98361. So you get down to the bottom of this box, and you're going to see some samples you might not have seen before for the 2019 season. So that's everything in our ESP Buyer's Box. We've got some great samples. Hopefully you're going to start to generate some great ideas with your clients. If they've never bought socks, you got socks in here. They've got new pens. If they buy pens all the time, maybe you have something new you can offer them. Or it's just to generate the ideas. If your clients' end buyers sit at a desk all the time, you want that real estate right there on that desk, that desktop real estate. So something like that phone holder is going to be great. So if someone comes in, the end user is going to see that logo of your client year round. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Hopefully you found something you liked here at the ESP Buyer's Box for 2019. We'll see you next year.